Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 19 of the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step 19 is clean and replace the existing filter. So when we do that, if you have a washable style filter like this one, we're going to come to your house, get this out, get it outside, get it washed, let it sit there and dry, get inside the return, and wipe things down because we want to get the big chunks of dust out of there. And if you have a throwaway filter, we'll be doing the same thing. We're just not washing this filter. Improper filter maintenance is the #1 cause of system breakdown. We get the call all the time in the summer. My air conditioner looks like a snowball. My air conditioner is not cooling. I have no airflow in the house. The vast majority of the time, it's caused by the filter. If this filter gets plugged up on the face loading side and no air can flow through here, it doesn't allow the air to run through the furnace and the cooling coil. When that happens, everything gets iced up. The outdoor unit doesn't know that the indoor unit's not moving enough airflow. The outdoor unit keeps pumping the same amount of refrigerant, and it just freezes everything up and causes all kinds of havoc inside the system. It's very important that filters get washed or replaced usually every 90 days. Some are 30 days. Some claim that they're a 1-year filter. I wouldn't trust one of those if it was me, but some people do. So please make sure you get your tune-up done. Make sure you get your filter changed or washed out. Very important to do that. It'll save you from breakdowns. It'll save you from high utility bills. It's just going to keep you more comfortable and keep the air cleaner that you breathe. So please get your tune-up done and then follow it up with a continued maintenance program and just make life that much simpler for you. See you on the next video.